Respected participant, Assalamu alaikum. Please, all participants, let me know, are you hearing me and my voice is clear? Thank you. Today's combined class of batch 1 and batch 2. So today we will cover our work on transfer learning, generative adversarial network, neural language processing, and time series forecasting. You already have done time series forecasting. We will understand these three topics because these are not applicable for our dataset. We need access to emails or other sources. So these are advanced tools which are accessible for companies. And for example, Google have this algorithm are using for classification of Gmails. We can also classify data based on these, but uh, for classification, other tools are better as compared to this one. So first we need to understand about these four topics. First I will copy transfer learning and GANs and NLP. Please all participants just understand. Open ChatGPT and paste and write a message. Please define and explain with daily life example. Transfer learning is based on pre-built model. For example, you have trained a model on another data set, but your new data is also related to your previous data. You can use your previous trained model for new data set. So it is known as transfer learning. But I want to explore it more with simple example so that you can easily understand. Here is a complete, here is a simple and daily life explanation for each. Transfer learning. What is transfer learning? Reusing what's already learned to learn something new faster. Daily life example, you know how to ride a bicycle. When you try to motorbike, you are already understand balance and steering, so you learn much quicker. In AI, a model that learned from million of photos already know edge, shape, texture. You reuse that knowledge and only teach it the last step. For example, healthy and disease leaf. So in simple word, we have trained a model on our previous data set and successfully satisfied on our previous data set. And when you have new data, but it is related to your previous data set, must be related to your previous data set. You can, instead of using new training, new model, you can use your previous model. It will save your time and work more efficient. And because as like example bicycle, if you uh, can ride a bicycle, motorcycle will be very easy for you. Similarly, if you have done uh, ML or have created a model or have trained a model, then reuse of trained model on a new data set is very easy and quicker. So you have a little label data, but there is a pre-trained model on a similar task. So you can use pre-trained model of your own data set or already published data set. Published model you can also use. Next is generative adversarial. Sorry, uh, GANs. What is GANs? Two AIs plays a game. For example, one is a generator tries to create fake but realistic data. You can say one is hacker, other is detector, or you can say one person is try to create fake currency, other want to identify fake currency. So one is generator tries to create fake but realistic data set. Discriminator try to spot the fake data. For example, one person build a algorithm or age algorithm and generate a fake data set. And he want to publish this data set in any journal. The algorithm of journals have discriminator. This try to find fake values based on data set, based on previous history or other things. So when, for example, discriminator identify this data is fake, then generator will try some other way to generate more powerful fake data so that discriminator unable to find. On the other hand, discriminator try to generate, try to train more strong algorithm that find fake data set. So both play with each other. They keep challenges each others until generator get really good data. Daily life example, a counter fighter make fake money. A detective try to catch it. As the detective improve, counterfeiter also improve. and vice versa. In AI, after training a real shoe photos, the generator can make new shoe images that look real. When it helps, you want to generate new realistic samples or arguments scarce training dataset. So it will help you to generate any type of dataset, as we already have uh, done practice by generating sample data with the help of AI. Okay, now next is NLP. What is NLP? Teaching computer to understand and produce human language. For example, daily life example, spam filter. Your email auto moves when $no to spam. So teach your computer, if any email come with these titles, these words, it will be spam. If you check your spam folder of email, maybe many emails are found here with win dollars or something like this. Next is sentiment. The clinic staff were kind. It is a positive feedback. Autocomplete. Your phone suggests the next word as you type. It is a common practice when we typed on our
Wow. It's already beginning.
laptop on Google, or we are typing text message on WhatsApp or Messenger. If we type same message for multiple time, and when after few days when we want to type same message, when we will type first word, our mobile will suggest us next word. After selecting, it will suggest us next word. It will suggest us next word. So it is the NLP. Next is summarize. Turn a long report into a short or brief. You can summarize your results. You can ask questions, get answer from a documents. It is a example of AI. So when it helps, any task with text, classify, extract info, summarize, translate, or answer questions. So in simple word, NLP is for artificial intelligence. One line memory trick. Number one, transfer learning, for example, bike, motorcycle, reuse skill, GANs, counterfeiter was detective, create and catch. Counterfeiter will create fake data, will create virus, will create fake money, while detective catch. So both try to improve their algorithm. NLP, teach a computer to read, write, and summarize. So it is the short summary of this topic. So we are unable to perform these tasks in R because we have not any app, but you have already done many things on your daily life. Like if you check your Gmail folder, I am showing you my Gmail folder. It's showing me a different box, but there is a spam folder. You can check here. 39917 emails are found in inbox. Others are found in purchases, and some are found in spam. So AI algorithm or Google uh, training model already classify my emails. When someone send me emails, Google automatically classify. The model which have applied on Google automatically classify these emails into spam, inbox, purchase, or any other type like promotion, social, or update. You can also check here. Many founds are promotions. So social also found here, update also found here. So Google classify my emails based on text and based on uh, emotions found on these emails. So when I click on spam, you can check here many things which are found here are spams. Spam mean these are not authentic emails. Someone want to uh, send me irrelevant or want to hack my Gmail, sending me unexpected links. So these are not good for my Gmail account. So Google classify in a separate folder. But if I read and found it is related to my work, I will read and will save into my inbox. Okay, so these are the techniques or tools which are already applicable on different platforms like artificial intelligence, including ChatGPT, Meta, Gemini, and you can also say DeepSeek also. One thing which you can do here is the sentiment analysis. You can only perform here only sentiment analysis. So I will write a message. Thanks. I need sample data for sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis means a sentence analysis based on reading the sentence and defining it is positive statement, it is negative statement, it is false statement, it is true statements. Now here are some statements. Yes, here is the data set. Sentiment sample. Very bad quality, not recommended. Delivery was on time, very happy. No, there are more instructions. Perfect. Here is the ready to use sample dataset for sentiment analysis. It has 300 short sentence, 150 positive and 150 negative with columns. So what a quick starter script to train a tiny classifier on this file. I can drop it in the next message. So if you want to run in R, it will give you R script. If you want to run in Python, it will give you Python script. But first I need to generate its objective or question. Also add question which I need to find its answer by sentimental analysis. So here is done. I have added a question prompt to each row so you can answer by doing sentiment analysis with the answer labeled for training, evaluation, and quiz version labeled hidden for practice. Want to R or Python script to load the quiz file, run a simple sentiment model, and grade it against the answer key. Say R or Python, I will drop ready to run Python script. So you just need to import this file into R or Python, take its str and provide to ChatGPT. It will give you its accurate script. For example, I want to work on sentiment with questions. Save in desktop. Want to import in R. From desktop. Sentiment with question. But it is CSV file. I need to use CSV function. First option is for CSV from text base. Sentiment with question. Import. Now here are the questions. Now I will take its str. Str. Sentiment. You can perform same analysis in Python and Google Colab also. Yes, give R script. After completion, copy the script, open R, paste and run. I need these packages. I hope I have all these packages. Yes, I need this one only. It's showing me an error. Sentiment with questions does not exist in current working directory. So I don't need to run this script because I don't have this data set in my working directory. So I will run first line, and second data set is also not available on my side. So I need to download both files and save in working directory. I need to import both files. Second file is, yes, here is the second file. I have saved both files on desktop. I will import second file. Import. Now I need to run these lines again. First, second, both are working, but it's showing you does not exist in current working directory. So I don't need to run this line. I just need to show R I have files in working directory. Or other option, I need to save both files in my working directory. So I want to choose second option. Try to save these files in working directory folder. Sentiment, here are two files. Copy these files and save in working directory folder. Control C. Folder name is 101. Batch 101. Paste here. No, I will run script again because I am using working directory batch 101.
Okay.
No, you can check this script is working now because no
Maybe
data
my
set is
class is
available.
also quitted after 10 minutes. What? Yes, because it's 11:40.
Train and test. Now here are some questions. Do you want to download? Name this file. Download mechanism here. Yes or no. So if you want to yes, type 1. If don't need, type 2. I want to download. Press yes. Download it. No, next. It's showing me an error. LexiPad not found. I need to run the script first. Yes, no, it's working, but again showing me another error. Failed to compute ROC curve. Try next. Model working. Just ROC curve failed. It's showing me I need to install this package. Package installed are needed. Stop words. Next. Now I will provide all errors to ChatGPT so that it will give me a correct script. It's showing me great progress, but few things are wrong in your run. LexiPad curve error. The lexicon baseline only produced a class, not a probability. So ROC curve failed. Fix evaluate baseline with accuracy. Press F1 only. No AUC. Star word missing. We need to install this package. So here is the correct and complete script. Copy, replace previous script and run. First we need installation. Stop words installed successfully. Library.